So hi guys, let me teach you how to design a fashion design flyer using the PixelLab. So let me go to my size here. I'll pick 1024 as the size and I'll delete this. I'll go to shape here and I'll create a kind of shape here. Yeah. Let me just do like this. And I'll increase the radius. Yeah, this looks good. Yeah, this looks good actually. So I will go to this color here and then change the color, sorry, not background color. This color here, and then I'll change it to this color. So you can actually see the color code here. You can pick it from here. See the color code here. So you can actually pick it from there. So what I'll do next is I'll create a kind of shape again. So on this shape, let me just angle it to the side, angle it to the side. I don't need it to be that huge for the color, so let me just pick this. So I think that I will just kind of align it towards this direction. Yeah, it seems this is okay. Okay, I will go to shape again and then I will make the shape to be this side. So for the color of the shape, I will pick a gradient color. I'll pick this as my color of the shape. You can actually see the color code here. You can pick it here, and then for that edge, you can see it here. Yeah. So here we go. I will press on OK. Yeah. Yeah. So the next thing that I will do is I will just go to text and then write Nakua cut. Yeah, make them uppercase later. So I will be using one font, and I will be using this Tasika. Yeah, so for the color of the font, I will pick this, then I'll increase the size. Increase the size. Yeah, this seems really okay, but I can make it to be bolder. Yeah. So I will write the slogan, which is creating courage with every stitch. So let's go with this. I just make this one to be here. I don't want it to be long, so as usual I'll pick Newton regular as my font. Someone asked me why am I always picking Newton regular as my font. It's just that I like the font. It's just like a normal New Times Roman font and MS Words. So let me make this one to be black, the color to be black. Then I'll align it. I can pick my guide and then fix it toward here. So I can pick my guide. So as you already know, guide is something that will guide you. Yeah. supposed to let it breathe a little bit. So let me expand it to this side. Yeah, this look perfect. This look good. So I may decide to just copy this and then write our services. And I'll make it to be white and then increase the fonts. Yeah, this look good. So what I will do next is I will go to text. I've already copied the services, so I will just paste it. So for this, I will decrease the size. Let's say this is looking somehow good, but I don't want it to. So since I didn't increase the size of this. Yeah, I'll go with this. I'm just taking my time to explain to do this so that everyone can actually design it on his own. Yeah. I think we can go with this. So let me just make this one to breathe also. Yeah. So let me go and import the materials, which is this. So let me import them. So I imported all the assets that I use, so even the background. So for the background, let me expand it. I will expand it to like this. I'll drag it again. Okay, drag it. Yeah, so let me make it to the back side. Yeah, so you can see. So now what I will do is I will go to my color and then I'll pick a color from what he has, what the background has. So I'll just pick a color from that. Let it be somehow like this, and then for this side let it be let it be pure white. FFF. Yeah, you can see. Here we go. So for the background, I will just decrease the opacity. Let me increase or decrease the opacity. Yeah, we can see. I mean, just decide to leave it like that. So for this, let me align them. The first one should be here, which I have to increase the height. So the first one should be here. The second one, which is this, it should be somewhere around here. Okay, let me clip it horizontal. Let me make it to be this axis. Okay, so here we go. So for this one also, I'll decrease. Okay, let me just see. Yeah, what I will do now is I will make this one to be here, and I'll move it toward this direction. So you can actually see how I achieved this. For this tip, let me just decrease the size of this tip and then put it around this axis. So you can actually see how I create the effects and then the layout. So now what I will do now is I will create another shape here, and then on this shape I will drag it toward this direction. Sorry. Let me just recreate it. I need it to be somehow perfect the way I like it. So I'll just create it like this. Let me see if I'll increase this. Sorry, let me make it 2. And I'll copy it. Paste it here. So I will just texture it with some caps. So you can see the caps here. So the first one, let me texture it with this. So you can see how it works. So this one, for this one, I will just increase the stroke. Yeah. So for this one, I'll go to texture again. Then I'll texture it with this. So here we go. So now we are almost done. I'll create a shape. So on this shape, I will just print it like this. So I'll increase the radius and decrease the opacity. Now for the stroke, let me increase the stroke to this, and then I need a gradient color actually. So here we go with this also. Here we go. So now what remains is I will create another shape, and this shape I will just create it very minor here like this. So it depends on how you actually want it to be, but I just want this one to be white. For the stroke, should be white. Yeah. So here we go. So now what remains is I will impute the phone number and then what I is supposed to add here. So let me just impute them. So here we go. So you can actually create some of the effects. Let's see, for this I can decide to pick this and then create a kind of effect. So what you will do is just go to here, maybe you pick a gradient shape like this. So how you usually do it is first you click on the first one, drag it to almost the center here for this one, and then for this one, this side here, you drag it from here to here so that it will become very transparent. So I think this, let's turn it like this, let's rotate it, just a kind of shape, a kind of effect. So I may decide to reduce it and then put it around this axis. Yeah, so I can copy it again and then I need it to appear around this axis also. So if you look at here, you can see it is somehow boring. So let me delete this first. And I will just put it here. Yeah. So I will decrease this size, the opacity, sorry. I'll decrease the opacity like this. Yeah, it seems to look good. So for this, I can decide to also copy it and then put it around this axis. So it actually depends on how you see your thing and then how you can just manipulate something to bring out a color, a very high quality design. Alright, thank you very much for your time. You can go and do further edition. So thank you very much for your time. If you find this to be useful, please like, share, and then subscribe if you are new to this channel. Thank you very much. See you on the next tutorial. Thank you.